Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will be reviewing Modern India, a brief history of Modern India by Spectrum. So this was the previous edition, so this is the latest edition came up. So I will explain which are the important features, contents of this book. So if you are a new aspirant also, this book is very important because around 7 to 8 questions usually come from this book on APSC prelims examination. This is a fact based book actually. Most of the things are included facts, not in a story type of way. So if you go for Bipan Chandra, like old NCERT, so you can read this entire Modern India in a story based way. Okay, so let's see what are the important things. So this book is very small book, so you can see like it little bit bigger, like when you see this the contents, but it is easy to cover actually, anybody can. So it is written by Rajiv Ahir IPS. Okay, so the latest edition, you can see some color coding is used, so you can see the important contents. So there are more than 35-40 chapters. So if I explain all the contents, it will be taking time. So the unit 2, you will be studying about advent of Europeans and all. So in that there will be different chapters. Then unit 3, rising resentment against the company rule once the companies came in India. So you can pause the video and see the detailed contents of this book actually. Okay. So you can see unit 4, that will be the reform movements, and unit 5, the struggle begins, freedom struggle. Okay, unit 7, national movement 1905 to 1918. This particular area, the most of the questions are asked, and this is also 1919 to 1939 also. Okay, unit 7. Okay, so then you can see the important chapters also. Okay, now let's see how the presentation of this book actually, chapters actually. So suppose this is one of the chapter begins. In simple way it is written, the language is very simple, anybody can easily understand, and there are some, all the chapters there will be views related to that particular time, some important person views also mentioned. You can read this like almost like a story. Okay, and small paragraphs and important strategy things they have already mentioned. So another important stuff which is useful for preparation is that at the end of the chapter, okay, so let's go to the end of the chapter. So yeah, so I'll take so end of the chapter there is a summary is given actually. So once you study this thing and mark the important things, so next time you come you can easily revise the chapter by using this summary actually. So whatever in this chapter they have given a clear and beautiful summary there, so you can use this for revision purpose. And other than that, at the end of the book, that is the most important area I can say, there are a lot of tables given actually, and important dates and important people related to that, like Indian National Congress session, they have given all the sessions and details. Okay, so similar to like that social religious movements, which are the years it is happening chronological order, they are that also they have provided actually. And other than that important like viceroys or governor generals details also there, because most of the time prelims frame questions from this particular time period, some particular governor general time period and all. So this is also at the end, the summaries given by this book is really great actually. So if you want to buy this book in a much lesser price than the MRP, the purchase link is I have provided on the video description and comment box also. From there you can easily purchase this book. Okay, so this is an important book for Modern India. 8 to 9 questions you will get from this particular book. Okay, and if you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel, and as well as you can share this video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.